back to class again.
So here now we are going to discuss about water scarcity. Scarcity means what?
Where the water is less, ma'am.
I asked on the scarcity. Food scarcity, water scarcity. What are all this scarcity means?
Low.
Which contains
No.
low. If we want 100%, if there is only 10 to 20%, then we can say it is scarcity. It is going less. Okay. So here water scarcity is increasing day by day. How it is increasing? Though we have 87% of water on the earth, earth contains 70% of the water. Why we are having still water scarcity?
Like what? In some places the floods are in
Floods are. They are called as droughts, not floods. What you mean to say is it is called as drought. Drought means no water is there. Floods means over water. Okay. So water scarcity arises because as we are having lot of water, only some percentage we have fresh water, 3%. Yes. Though we have less percentage, we are wasting it. As we are living in the cities or towns, we get water just by digging bores. As we have money, we are digging the borewells. But whereas in some places, though they dig bores, they will not get water at all the places. If they want water, some people have to travel some kilometers by holding pots in their hands. Why? Because water available on the land for drinking purpose is very less. Clear? Though water is inexhaustible, renewable source. Inexhaustible means which will not be finished. Yes, but renewable which will not be finished and we can get again and again that source. What is a natural source? We are getting from the nature and it gets lot of times. Again and again it will be getting.
Yes.
It will not be finished. Though all those things are happening, though we are having all these things are there, but we are still facing water problems day by day. Even surrounding our school also, in summer we did not get water problems.
Yes, ma'am.
There is no water, yes or not? Why it is so? Why? Because underground water has been decreasing. If we go on taking the water from the underground, from where they will get the water still? Go on taking the water from the underground. Go on taking the water from the underground by using bore wells. Yes or not? So from where they will get the water then? The persons who are taking water from the underground are poor, but the place needs some water. So who is providing water to that place? No one. If trees are there, water falls. So that underground water will be maintained. No trees, no rain, so no underground water. Clear? So there are a lot of reasons for this water scarcity. What are the uses? What are the things happens when there is no water? What are the problems faced by every person if there is no water for us or due to water scarcity?
There is no drinking water.
There is no drinking water. First of all, to get drinking water, we need to pay high amount of cost. Okay, where a poor family cannot pay. Instead of that, they will be drinking contaminated water. That means not purified water. So what happens for them if they drink purified water? They will get some waterborne diseases like cholera and malaria. Jaundice. Okay, different diseases will be caused by the water, contaminated water, by drinking contaminated water. Okay. Still, what are the problems faced by the people due to water scarcity? There will be no supply of food. Yes or not? If water is not there, can the farmers do agriculture?
No, ma'am.
So what is happening there? There will be no supply of
Water.
food. Next, some people will be seeing in the news channels. Some people will be walking in the deserts for some kilometers to get a single pot of water just for drinking. Okay, this is all why? Just because of the water scarcity. That is the reason we have to use water very carefully. Okay, and next. Now even nowadays also we are buying water. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
If we won't plant plants, still if it continues, nowadays we are buying for 20 rupees or 15 rupees. No. In future it increases to 50 to 100. Can we bear that much amount? daily? No. That is the reason we have to use water carefully, and even if we plant more plants, then the underground water will be increasing. If we get underground water increasing, what happens? We can dig bores and we can get the water from the bores. Okay. And next is, what happens to the plants? There is no water. As plants need water to make their food, okay, and they even get nutrients from the soil by using water only, no. As nutrients mix in the soil will be mixed with the water, and that nutrients mixed water is absorbed by the whole plant. If there is no water for the plant, there will not be photosynthesis process. As a result, there will not be a single plant on the earth. Clear? Next. Depletion of water table. Depletion means what? Decrease in water table. What is water table? The limit where the underground starts. The underground water starts. Okay. If this is the earth, if the underground water starts from here, this point is called as water table. So what is here depletion of water table? That means depletion is nothing but if you are going, just now I said, if you are digging number of bore wells and taking out water from the ground, yes, what happens? There, if there is no proper layers, the air gap will not be filled with the water. As a result, we will not get water from the bore wells. Okay, for example, if it is 10 centimeters here, depletion layer is 10 centimeters. From 10 meters deeper into the earth, we are getting water. If we are using more water and no proper rains and all those things, what happens? This level may increase to 50 meters or 100 meters also. Understood? That means till here we are finding water. If we dig deeper, we are finding some water there. This point is called as water table. But what happened as we are digging more amount of borewells and taking more amount of water, totally the water in the ground level is decreasing. That means the water table may increase to 50 or 100. Clear? Or even more than that also. Clear? That is the reason the depletion of water level table is going to be done. To increase this, what we have to do? The only thing we can do is planting trees. Okay? So that due to greenery, the rain falls. As the rain falls, the water level on the surface of the earth increases. And not only on the surface, as the rain falls, the water gets seeps into the earth, earth's surface also, inside the earth's surface also. See, in summer season, on a road or something else on the land, you just put in the in the afternoon time, 12 to 1 o'clock, just put one glass of water on the earth's surface. Do you get any sound?
No. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You get some sound, even you will get some smell also there. Even on the terrace of our houses also, just put a mug of water there. You will get some sound. That is nothing but the earth is taking that water into its deeper level. How much water we pour, that much will be going in deeper and deeper. It is nothing but that water is going on increasing, going to the air spaces which have in the earth. Clear? What happens if this depletion water table level increases? We can't get water. Okay? To get underground water completely, we have to use water carefully and then plant more and more trees. Okay? Increasing population is also one of the reasons for the depletion of water table. Almost 10 years back, 15 years back, do you see this many houses in this area? No. You will be kids. Ask your parents once. Okay? Before 10 years, how this area would be? It would be with all trees, right? Whereas it has developed. Why it has developed? Due to overpopulation. Okay? India is facing right now overpopulation. Yes or not? It is having more population. Clear? So due to that population, more amount of water is needed, more amount of land need to be occupied. If we want to live on the land, if we want to live on the earth, we need some space. To get some place we are cutting the trees. Due to cutting of trees, we have lot of problems. No water, no fresh air,
No underground.
Yes or not? No underground water also. These are some of the causes due to the water scarcity, overpopulation, not planting trees also. Okay. So as population increases, more amount of water is needed for drinking, cooking, bathing. For all areas, water needed by us should be more. Okay. So even in the apartments also, if we see those in the apartments, there will be 2 or 3 bores. Why there will be 2 or 3 bores?
Because there will be so many
As the population is more, they need more water, no? As the strength in the apartment is more, they need more water. That is the reason they will be digging 2 to 3 boreholes. In the same way, earth also. As the population is going on increasing, we are digging more boreholes. And we are spoiling the water table. We are making it to deplete. Clear everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So next are some of the reasons. We will discuss in the next class. Deforestation, all those things are there.